Welcome back to our Services 360 demo series. In this demo, we'll take a look at how you can amend quotes and contracts in Services 360. While we will focus on a quote amendment for the purpose of the video, all the steps that you see apply to a contract amendment as well if you start from the Contracts tab instead of the Quotes tab. Services 360 enables you to modify your quotes and contracts simply and intuitively online. You can do it at any time and at your own pace. Even more exciting is the ability to easily and quickly upgrade your support package to a higher service level that better suits your needs. Let's get started. To create a quote amendment request, first navigate to the Quotes tab of the tool. Then retrieve the quote or quotes that you would like to edit by using the dynamic filter. Simply type the criteria at the space at the top of each column to search for a particular quote. Remember that you can use multiple columns for this dynamic filtering as shown for faster, more flexible searching. Next, from the filter results, select the quote or quotes you'd like to edit, then click the Request Changes button on the screen to initiate the quote process. Now we're on the Request Changes page. On this page, you can specify what type of edit you would like to make to your quote, such as change its AMP ID, end date, contacts, or addresses. You can also request to upgrade your quote to a higher support level by selecting your preferred support package and response time and coverage options from the relevant drop-down menus. Feel free to click on the Learn More about the options available link to review brief descriptions about the options featured in the drop-down menus, as well as additional support package options offered by HP. A designated HP team will update your quote in the tool to reflect the support level that you requested. As you select the type of edit that you would like to make, you'll notice that the Request Changes page will guide you to provide only data specific to the type of change that you're requesting. At the bottom of the Request Changes screen, there are designated fields in which you can add comments to HP or add notes for your own tracking purposes. After you complete your input on this page, click the Next button. You are now on the Your Changes page, where you can review a summary of all the changes you requested. You can also attach a file upload if necessary. Click the Revise button to make further edits, or click the Submit button to submit your quote amendment request. Upon submission, a case is automatically created and sent to HP to process your requested amendments. To review the status of any case that you've submitted on Services 360, including a quote amendment case like the one we just created, shown here, navigate to the Cases tab on the menu bar. From the Cases tab, you can view the status of your cases, including new, open, awaiting requester, work in progress, or closed, as well as your case details. The Recently Viewed Cases is the default view, but other views are available using the pull-down. You can also interact directly with an HP customer care specialist about your case by selecting Add Comment under the Case Comments section of a particular case record. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to conduct quote or contract amendments in Services 360. What would you like to learn about next? Check out the remaining demos to learn more about Services 360.